Hello everyone, welcome back to another episode of Technologyglance. Today, in this video, I'm going to guide you through how you can change message sound of group notification on VIP. So, let's get started. Firstly, open VIP app in your device, then tap on three lines icon. Next, tap on settings. After that, tap on notifications. Then tap on group notifications. Next, you can see the option of sound. Tap on it. Then select sound of your choice. Here I am selecting free fall. Then tap on arrow option. Next, tap on save. So, this is how you can change message sound of group notification on VIP. Thanks for watching. If you found this guide helpful, we would love it if you hit the thumbs up button below. We upload great new tech tutorials like this one every day. So do not forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon so that you'll never miss another update.